In today's video, I want to show you how you can deal with audio delay in Vmix. A situation where you are streaming and then you find out that your lip is not in sync with your voice. Something like this. You can see that it's evident from my recorded video, it's in sync, but here on Vmix, which you can see, it's not in sync. And you know how funny this can be whenever you go live and then the preacher or whoever is talking and then the audio is not matching. And why I'm making this video is because I've made a previous video where I talked about how to deal with the same issue in OBS, and lots of people kept asking how do we also sort out that problem in Vmix. So if you haven't checked out the video on how to do that in OBS, I'm going to leave the link in the description below, or you can find out the link here. Just click on this and it's going to take you to how you can deal with that in OBS. So without further ado, let's dive in and let me show you how you can sort this problem in Vmix. So here on my Vmix, you can see I have my video right here, and I also have my audio microphone, which is what I am using over here. So prior to this time, I already recorded a video of me where I clapped, and it is through this that I was able to detect that there is a delay, right? So what I did simply was to separate the audio and video, and from what I later matched, I discovered that the video is like 5 frames difference, meaning that the audio was kind of faster than the video. So you can see it right here. You can see this is about 1 frame, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 frame difference. But then that calculation too, when I asked ChatGPT was able to provide me with a detailed explanation based on the frame and then the milliseconds and also everything that has to do with the frames per second. That is all those, they are all mathematical calculation, but then you don't need to go through this stress. It's just for you to understand why these things happen. And one of those things that could actually lead to that is something that has to do with either your capture card, because my capture card has this form of delay. Again, you might be using like a wireless transmitter. Most of the wireless transmitters have latency, and as such you might still have that same delay. So you check out what works for you. But then what I'm going to do, because I'm much interested in delaying the audio because the video is coming later, so the audio is kind of faster, right? So I will come over here on the audio mixer. Over here you can see this is the audio microphone. You can also see the name here. Then I'm going to click on this settings icon. You see here on the general, you will see gain, and then you see delay here. By default it's on 0 milliseconds, so this is what I will be tweaking, and I'm going to leave that that sheet here on the video so that you will see, so that depending on your frame per second that you are shooting, you will know what to use, right? So I'm going to impute here 200, so it's going to be a 200 milliseconds, and then I'm going to close. So if I do this again, you can see is in real time. So this is it on how you can easily deal with audio delay in Vmix. I hope you learned one or two. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, do make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and follow us across all our social media platforms for more content like this. And if you also need any media support from me, you can find the link to our WhatsApp support group, where you get the opportunity to ask me questions in real time and you will get the answer also from me. So do make sure to use that opportunity to connect with me. And if you have any question, any comment or suggestion related to this or any media related issue, you can also avail yourself this opportunity to check out the link and join. And if you also have any question regarding to this too, you can use the comment section to tell us what you think about this video, or if there is any other video you are looking out to see from us. Till I see you again, have a pleasant time.